Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this kinky wig. I actually got this hair from my beauty supply store for less than $5, and I actually used the Expression brand, the one called Rosemary. It's really soft, so if you are thinking of making this wig, I suggest you should go for that. You want to turn the wig cap to the back and then get your measuring tape and then measure the length of how you want to place your lace. But for me, I was going with 4 inches, and then I left like 1 inch of net at the front, so when you wear the wig, it's going to be laying very well at the front line of your hair. So I have a very detailed tutorial on how I ventilate hair on net laces. I'm going to be linking that down. So the next thing you want to do is to secure the net and the wig cap using the kinky hair. So because this is a kinky hair, you shouldn't go with maybe 1 or 2 strands. You could just take like little strands so the hair doesn't look too full. And like I said earlier on, I have a very detailed tutorial. If you don't know how to ventilate hair on laces, I'm going to be linking it down here. And also to please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, and I'll see you somewhere along the video. So you want to go ahead to trim out the excess using scissors, and I'm also going to be using water. And one tip when making this wig, you can also use water to separate the kinky hair. That's when you're actually crocheting the hair on the wig cap. Water actually helps to separate it without tangling. So I'm going to also be using mousse just to keep it together, and then I also used argan oil just to give it that extra shine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.